Alright guys, we are back with another box break. Today we'll be opening up a 2018 Panini Score football hanger box. As you can tell, it's got my boy Aaron Rodgers on the front, so when I saw it, I knew I had to pick it up. But yeah, let's dive in. Ooh. It says just 60 cards in total. It doesn't say anything about any guaranteed hits or anything like that, but I guess we're about to find out. All right, so it just all comes in one pre-sealed pack. It's very thick. I can already tell just by looking at this, it looks like there's a couple of thick cards in there. But all right, Justin Tucker on the front, and who do we have on the back? Let's see if we can get a good view of that. Richie James. All right. Okay, let's open it up. I'm just gonna start flipping from the top with Justin Tucker up there. Make sure we get a good view of these. Boom, just so you can see them all. And we're already switching direction. I mean, this pack's only from 2018. It's crazy to see just the way some of these guys, you know, are either not in the league, different teams. 2 years ago. Chris Hogan. The Pats miss him. Andrew Hopkins no longer with the Texans. Yeah, it's going to be a crazy 2020 season. Looks like backside. Oh, wow. Okay. Great hit. All right. You see that Luke Kuechly for the Carolina Panthers. Sorry to see that guy go, but wow. Great hit right here. Jersey swatch. I love that. I'm going to put that down for a second. Let's see if it's numbered or anything. Not numbered. But that is a great pull right there. Very happy with that. That's awesome. Okay, let's keep going with it. I'm losing my grip on these cards. It's cool, Derek Carr. Jay Green. I wish they could just get them all facing the same way. That would be nice. Love some of the Color Rush jerseys. Some of them. Not all of them are a hit. Oh, wow, all right. Aaron Rodgers, not bad. It's fun to pull out the guy that's in the front of the box. Antonio Brown, always good to have you on your fantasy team. Unless you picked them up last year. Probably never do that again. All right, I think Brown, Packer rookie. All right, so not a bad pull here from this pack, the hanger box. So got a few cards that I definitely like. The Luke Kuechly swatch right there, love that, beautiful card. St. Brown, the Packer receiver, rookie receiver, got his rookie card right there. So pretty happy with that. And then always, I mean, can't be mad when you pull an Aaron Rodgers card. So not bad for a box that. You know, you just pick up walking by, but that was fun. All right, so thank you guys for watching. If any of y'all are interested in taking some of these cards off my hands, feel free to comment. As long as you pay for shipping, I'd be happy to send them your way. But again, thank you guys for watching, and be on the lookout for another box break video coming out soon.